Hey cookers! Today's bite-sized cook gets 2 meals at the same time. Chicken salad and chicken noodle soup. I was craving chicken salad. It just happens sometimes. I thought, this could be a twofer. I threw 3 chicken thighs in a pot of water with some salt, pepper, and poultry seasoning. Chopped up some onions, some celery, and threw it in there too. I let that cook for about 30 minutes till the chicken was good and done. I took the chicken off the bone and chopped it up real good. I put 2/3 of it in the refrigerator to chill, and the rest of the dead bird I put back in the pot. After a couple of hours, the chicken was nicely chilled. I finally diced some celery and some red onion. Red onion is so good in chicken salad. I added a 1/4 cup of mayo, a teaspoon of yellow mustard, some salt and pepper, and mixed it all up real good. Put it back in the fridge for about another hour and let those flavors meld. While that chicken salad was doing its thing in the refrigerator, I added a couple of cups of water and a couple of teaspoons of chicken bouillon to my chicken broth that has the meat and the onions and the celery and the seasoning in it, and I brought that to a boil. I thought some hearty egg noodles would be good in there, so I put about 4 ounces of noodles and some fresh spinach in there. That spinach adds another dimension of flavor and richness to the soup. I served the chicken salad on a bed of lettuce and spinach with some diced tomatoes and shredded cheddar. A couple of crescent dinner rolls and a bowl of soup made for a wonderful, wholesome meal. Have fun!